everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can print shipping labels on Squarespace, so let's get right into it. Now, shipping labels are a thing pretty much exclusive to the US, and for that, you need to be registered in the US as a seller from the US, and you need to have your shipping set up in the US dollar currency, and you need to be shipping in the United States as well. Now, as I do not fit that criteria, I'm going to go over to this article named Buy and Print Shipping Labels. This is the official Help Center post of Squarespace, and as you can see, the requirements are the billing address for your subscription needs to be in the US, currency needs to be USD, you need to ship products in the US, you need to be on a business or commerce plan, you need to use a computer site or the iOS app. It doesn't work on Android, and you need to ship products via UPS or USPS. Those are the only available options as of now. Here you can see the carrier services for UPS, and here are the ones for USPS. So you need to fit those criteria as well. And then you can create your label. You need to go into your orders panel. In my case, it is completely empty, so I'll just forgo that. And then you can click a pending order and click purchase label, and then get UPS rates if you want. This will open up a new window where you're going to need to enter your information and log into a UPS account if you already have one. Then you can create a shipping label for the computer. You open up the orders, go into pending order, click purchase label. You can edit the customer shipping address if you want. Then you can click the type and select UPS or USPS if you want, or you can select custom packaging. And if you're shipping hazardous materials, you need to check the hazardous materials box, and the shipping services section will update to only display select services from USPS that can accommodate your shipment. From then, you can select custom packaging and set that up, or select UPS or USPS depending on your package. And then to actually print it, you need to click the label format drop down, then select either 8x5 times 11 inches or a 4x6. Depending on what you want. Then it is not possible to print custom sizes, as you can see. Then you need to go into review order, and the shipping label cost is based on the distance between you and your customers. Then to edit the payment information, click edit, then click confirm once you're done. And to print the label, click print, and or click return to shipping to go back to the shipping label window if you need to make any other changes. And that is basically it. Again, sorry I couldn't show this to you guys, but I'm kind of region locked in this case, so I can't really show you accurately, but that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be seeing you guys in another video.